Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I have a 2011 Ford Escape, and in this video I will show you which fuse to check in case your fog lights are not working. This video will apply to Ford Escapes made from 2008 all the way up to 2012. Okay, so before I show you the fog lights fuse location, I will quickly show you how to turn on the fog lights. So first you want to turn on the headlights, and then you want to pull this knob towards yourself. This light right here will illuminate, and that means your front fog lights should be turned on. If they are not, first thing to check is of course the light bulbs. If light bulbs are good, second thing to check is the front fog light fuse. If fuse is good, then most likely you have the problem with this switch right here or with the wiring towards the fog lights. Okay, first I want to apologize for this car being so dirty. I just picked it up from the car auction and it's a complete mess. But anyways, the fog lights fuse is located in a fuse box, which is down here next to the passenger left leg. Now to remove this cover, you just want to pull it towards yourself. Okay, once you have removed that main cover, behind it you will have one more cover. This is the fuse box cover right here. To remove it, you'll have two black clips, one on the top right here and one on the bottom. So what you want to do, you want to press them, squeeze them together and pull towards yourself. Now, I'll try to do it right now. Okay. Once you remove it, on the back side you will have a white fuse puller, which you can use to remove any of the fuses. And on top of the cover you will actually have a small fuse diagram. Okay, and the fuse you want to check, it's a fuse number 21, which is located right here. It's a 15 amp blue fuse. So this is your front fog lights fuse. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.